ready to take full control of your crypto and dive into the decentralized world. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets tab located in the bottom navigation bar. This is where you'll manage all your holdings on the exchange. Next, select the spot account, then find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your Web3 wallet and click the Withdraw button next to it. On the withdrawal screen, carefully choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Making absolutely sure it's the correct one. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Now, paste your Web3 wallet address into the wallet address field. Double-check this address meticulously. Next, select the correct network that is compatible with both Bybit and your Web3 wallet. Using the wrong network can also lead to lost funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits set by Bybit. You will also see the fees involved for the transaction. Finally, after reviewing all the details one last time, click the confirmation button. You may need to complete a security verification process, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, Bybit will process your withdrawal. The time it takes to arrive in your Web3 wallet depends on the network congestion, so be patient. You can usually track the transaction on the blockchain using the transaction ID provided by Bybit. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your crypto.